Ayan guys, yung aming lunch. Buffet. Welcome back to my channel, Ate Phoenix Vlog. Wala kaming ano guys kasi busy kami sa trabaho. Kaya yung kusina namin sa restaurant muna pansamantala. Ayan. Wala kaming luto-luto ngayon dahil busy kami sa kakalipat guys.
Hey, my rice is a little bit spicy.
That's yummy.
My rice is a little bit spicy.
But it's yummy, no?
Yeah, it's yummy.
Okay, fine. Hindi na nakuha guys. Puro dahon. Bilo-bilo. Ayan ang sa alaga ko.
We can get some sushi. I need some.
Where did you get this one, Mika? This one. The salmon. This one, yeah. Mommy gives you.
No,